Here's how to pressure test the cooling system on Chevy trucks, Vortec V8 engines. Let's get in here, get it pressure tested, see if we have any leaks.
So if we got leaks, we can get in here and we can see, oh, it's leaking from there. Oh, leaking from there. Oh, leaking from here. Oh, I hear it hissing here. Oh, it's leaking from there. And we can get in here and we can diagnose it and find the leaks. So with that said, we're gonna get it out and pump it up. See, it's got a little gauge on there, right down in there. A little pump right here. And then we have the right cap, so I gotta find which one works. I believe it's this one right here. So it's got a little air fitting on there, and it's got an O-ring seal. We can get in here, pop it on here. Just screws in like this, easy. Got it popped on there just like this, right here. And now we're gonna pump it up. All right, so gonna get in here and we're gonna pump this thing up and we're gonna watch the gauge and we're gonna watch the common leak spots. We're gonna start at about 12 PSI, come back in a couple hours and see if it leaked. These trucks should be able to maintain a pressure up to about 15 PSI. At 15 PSI, the cap opens, it relieves the pressure down onto the ground. Luckily, we hadn't gotten to that situation on this truck. We're fixing it right now. You have the pop-off pressure right there, and I can tell you I'm not lying because if we look at the cap right here, there it is, surge tank, 15 PSI. 15 PSI, it'll open up. When it opens up, it comes straight out here, right on the ground.
So if anything leaks, the thermostat leaks, the water pump leaks, you have radiator hoses that leak, the heater hose connections leak, you gotta get in there, get that assembly apart. Replace the parts, replace the seals, then re-pressure test the whole thing, see if it's leaking. If it's not, you're good to go, top the system off, and it's fixed.
We're leaking down a little bit, and I can see the drip. We're sitting under pressure here, looking nice and dry all down in here, all under the truck. Get you some cardboard, get up under there while you've got it pumped up. You can do it with the truck running. Harder to find it. Can't hear it hissing if it's leaking like that. All right, I let it sit. So we're down to 0 PSI now. It's been a while. The only spot I found was that one dripping right back there. We're gonna get this section replaced in here. We're gonna pressure test it again. So no leaks anywhere else down here. Looks good. Don't hear any hissing. Radiator appears to be fine. Those were the only spots that were dripping.
You know, you can buy one of these coolant pressure test kits if you'd like. Get in there. You'll have it in the future. Hook it up. See where the leaks are coming from and get them fixed.
This is how I diagnose this. We're gonna fix that. Come back. Pump it back up, man. Let it wait. Okay. Where's it leaking from? Let's see. Yep. Right there. We're gonna get in there and handle that. But first, we're gonna do the leaks that we can see, fix the leaks one by one. Process of elimination works best. Get a feel for it. Yes, sir. Right there. We got some coolant right there. It is dripping right there. Can't imagine that'd make it overheat, but you know, a drip might squirt under pressure.
You can also get this UV dye made for Dex Cool, dump it in the system, circulate a little bit, let it sit, come back at night with the flashlight, shine it around the engine bay. Yep, there's the leak right there. Get in there, get it fixed, but you don't want to have to go to that extent. If you don't have to, if you can just see it dripping, get in there, get it fixed.
So all we gotta do now is pop our hoses on here, just like this. Popped on, and get the other hose popped on right here. Just like that. Got it pumped back up, and now we are holding at a steady 15 PSI, so I had to pump it up to 15 PSI for those leaks to develop, so you might want to go up to 15 PSI, but this is holding pressure. No leaks up in there, no leaks down in there. Yep, this thing is fixed. Just goes to show you, once it's done, it's not really done. You gotta test it, keep coming back, testing it, check for leaks, till it's 100% fixed.
That's it for the video. Drop me a huge thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more Chevy truck tip videos in the future. I got plenty more coming. Later.